Hello guys, today's session is about beta-lactam antibiotics. There are many beta-lactam antibiotics and today's session we will discuss about the beta-lactam antibiotic penicillin. So we'll see what are the learning objectives of today's session. At the end of the session, the learner should understand the classification of beta-lactam antibiotics. They should have a basic understanding of how bacterial cell wall is synthesized, the mechanism of action of beta-lactam antibiotics, the various mechanisms of resistance to beta-lactam antibiotics, and also the classification of penicillins, the uses, adverse effect, and interactions of various types of penicillins. So before we go into the session proper, I would like to describe a brief history with a picture. Can you guess what this is?